Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This lesson is for class 8 subject English. Today we will discuss in lesson 1 from page 9 to page 13 in Iqra English Grammar Book 5. In previous lesson we have discussed from page 5 to page 8 about lesson 1. So let's start. Our first segment is an overview of English tenses. Students, here are short definitions about tenses so you can easily learn. So let's start. Present simple tense. It expresses universal truths, events or situations that exist always, usually or habitually. For example, it snows in Murray. Students, present simple tense एक्सप्रेस करता है यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ्स को, जैसे कि सूरज मशरिक से तुलू होता है, या उन इवेंट्स और सिचुएशंस को जो कि हमेशा से आ रहे हैं, या उन कामों को जो कि अमूमन होते हैं या आदतन होते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, यू गो टू स्कूल. स्टूडेंट्स, हियर यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर द सिंबल्स. Imagine that the left side is past time, the right side is future time, and this symbol shows your present time. So present simple tense basically expresses universal truths, events or situations that exist always, usually or habitually. Present continuous tense, it indicates an action which is continuing at the time of speaking and probably will continue. Like, he is sleeping right now. He went to sleep at 10 tonight. It is now 11 and he is still asleep. He is still asleep. His sleep began in the past, is in progress at the present time and probably will continue. यानी कि काम माजी से शुरू हुआ है और स्टिल जारी है, अभी भी जारी है. Present perfect tense, it indicates an action which has just been completed. For example, I have already eaten. Indicates करता है उन कामों को जो कि माजी में शुरू हुए थे और अभी अभी मुकम्मल हो चुके हैं. Present perfect continuous tense, it indicates an action which started in the past time and is still continuing. ऐसे कामों को बयान करता है जो कि माजी में शुरू हुए थे और मुसलसल अभी भी जारी हैं, यानी कि जिन कामों का आधा हिस्सा माजी में मुकम्मल हो चुका है, इसका आधा हिस्सा अभी प्रेजेंट में जारी है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आई हैव बीन स्टडिंग फॉर 2 hours. मैं 2 घंटों से पढ़ रही हूँ. Come to the definitions of past tense. First one is past simple tense. It indicates an action which was completed at one particular time in the past. It began and ended in the past. For example, it snowed yesterday. यानी कि उन कामों को बयान करता है जो कि कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं एट वन पार्टिकुलर, एक माजी के मखसूस वक्त में, यानी कि इट बिगन एंड एंडेड इन द पास्ट, माजी में शुरू भी हुए थे और माजी में ख़त्म भी हुए, यानी कि इट स्नोड यस्टरडे, कल बर्फबारी हुई. पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस, इट इंडिकेट्स एन एक्शन विच वॉज इन प्रोग्रेस एट अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम इन द पास्ट. इट प्रोबेबली कंटिन्यूड. ही वॉज स्लीपिंग व्हेन आई अराइव्ड. यानी कि इंडिकेट करता है उन कामों को जो कि अभी भी जो कि माजी के ज़माने में जारी थे और माजी के एक मखसूस मुद्दत से शुरू हुए थे, यानी कि जो काम माजी के एक मखसूस मुद्दत से शुरू हुए थे और माजी में जारी भी थे. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, ही वॉज स्लीपिंग व्हेन आई अराइव्ड. ही वेंट टू स्लीप एट 10 लास्ट night. I arrived at 11. He was still asleep. His sleep began before and was in progress at a particular time in the past. It probably continued. As you can see in the pic, all the actions had been done in the time of past. Past perfect. It indicates an action which had been completed before another action was completed in the past. ये बयान करता है उन कामों को जो कि माजी में किसी दूसरे काम के मुकम्मल होने से पहले ही अंजाम को पहुंच गए होते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, I had already eaten when they arrived. As you can see in the pic, there are two works given in the past. So, खाने का काम पहले ही अंजाम को पहुंचा. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, I had already eaten when they arrived. Present past perfect continuous tense. This is past perfect continuous tense. It indicates an action which was started, continued and was completed in the past. बयान करता है उन कामों को जो कि माजी में ही स्टार्ट होते हैं, माजी में ही शुरू होते हैं और माजी के ही किसी मखसूस मुद्दत में ख़त्म भी हो जाते हैं. For example, I had been studying for 2 hours before my friend came. Future tense. The first one is future simple tense. It indicates an action which will happen at one particular time in the future. बयान करता है उन कामों को जो कि फ्यूचर के एक मखसूस मुद्दत में शुरू होंगे. For example, it will snow tomorrow. As you can see in the pic, at your right side. Future continuous tense. It indicates an action which will be in progress at a particular time in the future. Probably it will continue. बयान करता है उन कामों को जो कि जारी होंगे फ्यूचर के किसी भी मखसूस मुद्दत में. Probably it will continue. For example, he will be sleeping when we arrive. We will arrive at 11. The action of sleeping will begin before we arrive and it will be in progress at a particular time in the future. Probably his sleep will continue. Future perfect tense. It indicates an action which will be completed before another action will be completed in the future. ज़ाहिर करता है, बयान करता है उन कामों को जो कि will be completed before another action will be completed in the future. फ्यूचर में ही किसी दूसरे काम के मुकम्मल होने से पहले ही मुकम्मल हो चुके होंगे. यानी कि फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस बयान करता है उन कामों को जो कि फ्यूचर में किसी दूसरे काम के मुकम्मल होने से पहले ही अंजाम को पहुंच चुके होंगे. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आई विल ऑलरेडी हैव ईटन व्हेन दे अराइव. 2 एक्शंस गिवन है जिसमें ईटिंग का काम पहले ही कंप्लीट हो चुका होगा फ्यूचर में. Future perfect continuous tense. It indicates an action which will start, continue and end in the future. बयान करता है उन कामों को जो कि फ्यूचर में ही स्टार्ट होगा, फ्यूचर में शुरू होगा, जारी होगा और फ्यूचर में ही ख़त्म होगा. Like, I will have been studying for 2 hours by the time you arrive. Students, I hope you have understand about the tenses and their definitions and about their sentence structures. Now it will be easy for you. You will be able to solve the exercises given in your lesson 1. So let's start our exercise A. Fill in the blanks with since or for. Since और for के uses के साथ आपने इन blanks को fill करना है. Students, you have studied about the uses of since or for. For is used for period of time, number, time word when we measure the duration of something or how long it lasts, while since is used for starting point, a time and a date when something started in the past and continues until now. Means for measurement of time के लिए use होता है. For example, true are 3 hours and since is used for exact starting point, time and date. इसके अलावा since हमारे पास दिनों के नाम, महीनों के नाम के लिए भी यूज़ होता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, ये जैसे कि नाम से ही ज़ाहिर है, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, अ टाइम एंड अ डेट. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, सिंस 1947. Let's start our exercise A. They have been shopping for 3 days. The driver has been underwater for half an hour. He has been waiting since 2 o'clock. The baby has been sleeping for a long time. She has not met her relatives since October. I have not worn half sleeves since I was a child. Ahmed has been visiting the place for many days. The eggs have been boiling for a quarter of an hour. Everyone has been praising him since he won the prize. I have been patient with you for the last few months. Exercise B. Put the sentences into simple future tense, and then the be going to means be going to. Be is the form of continuity basically. The first one has been done for you. He play a tennis match on Friday. He will play a tennis match on Friday. And be going to form is he is going to play a tennis match on Friday. Second one, we know tonight. We shall know tonight. We are going to know tonight. Third one, Mr. Adil and Mr. Asad announce the results of the lucky draw. Mr. Adil and Mr. Asad will announce the results of lucky draw. Mr. Adil and Mr. Asad are going to announce the results of lucky draw. Fourth one, I arrange a gathering at my place. I shall arrange a gathering at my place. I am going to arrange a gathering at my place. Fifth one, she resolved this problem. She will resolve this problem. She is going to resolve this problem. Exercise C. Use the verbs provided in the present perfect or the simple past tense as you think suitable. First one, the patient died last month. Because present perfect or simple past tense as you think suitable, that's why first I have chosen simple past tense. Second form of verb, the patient died last month. Sarah has passed her GCSE math at the second attempt. Third one, can you lend me your book? I have lost mine. Fourth, you seem upset. What happened? Fifth one, I attended a computer course for several months, but now I practice at home. Exercise D. Use the verbs provided in the future perfect or the future perfect continuous as you think suitable. Sana will not answer her cell phone. She will have turned it off. If the teacher is ill, she will not have conducted the classes. Third one, Ali will be away for 2 days, so he will not have been receiving. Our calls. By the time we meet again, I will have moved to a new address. Fifth one, I will have been working in a family shop since the beginning of the year. Exercise E. So this is exercise D, and then we come to exercise A. Use the verbs provided in the present perfect or the present perfect continuous tense as you think suitable. The first one, what a lovely smell. Sadia baked delicious cakes. Students, I have chosen present perfect tense for this sentence. So I will choose the verbs of present perfect tense. What a lovely smell. Sadia has baked delicious cakes. Second one, I look for my lost pens but not find any. I have been looking for my lost pens but have not found any. Third one, you hear the news. Amara has left Pakistan. That's not new. I know it for ages. Have you heard the news? Amara has left Pakistan. That's not new. I have known it for ages. So in this sentence, I have used present perfect tense. The structure. Fourth one, the driver of that car sounded his horn for the last 10 minutes. The driver of that car has been sounding his horn for last 10 minutes. Fifth one, I worked for him for 10 years and he never said thanks to me. I have been working him for 10 years and he has never said thanks to me. Exercise F. Use the verbs provided in the simple past or the past continuous tense as you think suitable. First one, while she was traveling. I choose the structure of past continuous tense. While she was traveling to Islamabad, somebody stole her bag. Stole. Second form of verb means I choose simple past. I choose second form of verb. The sailors were sailing in the ocean when a violent storm came. Did you see the waterfall when you were in Canada? The manager ordered to close the factory because all the workers were going on strike. B forms mean I have used. The children were playing in the ground when it started to rain. Exercise G. Use the verbs provided in the simple past and past perfect to fill the blanks.